Learning how to communicate with artificial intelligence is one of the most important aspects of getting the most out of AI tools. The way you phrase a question, the details you provide, and the instructions you give all influence the response you receive. This is why learning the basics of better prompting is important. A prompt is simply what you type, say, or give to an AI when you want it to do something. It can be a question, a request, a set of instructions, or information you want the AI to work with. You don't need to learn a special language to write a good prompt. You just need to give the AI enough information to understand what you're trying to accomplish. For example, imagine typing, "Tell me about inflation." The AI can answer that question, but it doesn't know why you're asking, how much you already understand, how much detail you want, or what kind of explanation would be most useful to you, so you might get an answer filled with terms you don't understand, or an answer that's much more detailed than you wanted. Now imagine asking, "I would like to learn more about economics. As a beginner, please explain inflation to me in simple terms and include a few everyday examples." That is still a simple prompt, but now the AI knows more about what you need. You've told it what you want it to do, who the explanation is for, and how you want the answer presented. That's the basic idea behind better prompting. One of the most helpful things you can give AI is context. Suppose you ask, "What's wrong with my car?" The AI knows you're having a problem with your car, but it doesn't know what kind of problem you're experiencing, when it happens, or what you've noticed. Instead, you could say, "My car makes a squeaking sound when I press the brakes, especially at low speeds. What are some common reasons this might happen?" Now the AI understands the situation. Context can be useful for just about anything. If you need help understanding a subject, let the AI know you're a beginner. If you're making plans, share what you're trying to plan along with any preferences or limitations the AI should consider. If you're writing something, explain who will read it and what you want the message to accomplish. It isn't necessary to tell the AI everything, but providing the information that matters can help it give you a response that's better tailored to your needs. Something to remember, as shown earlier, is how you want answers presented. You might say, "Explain this in simple terms. Give me 5 bullet points. Keep the answer short. Walk me through this step by step." Or, "Write this for a beginner." These instructions can make a difference because the same information can be presented in many different ways, such as a detailed explanation might be useful when you're learning something new, while a short checklist might be better when you're trying to complete a task. Conversational AI is designed for conversation, so you don't have to write a perfect prompt the first time. If the first answer isn't quite what you wanted, you can tell the AI what you'd like to change. You can say, "Make this shorter," explain the second part again, give me an example, use simpler words, turn this into a checklist, or, "That's not quite what I meant. Let me explain it another way." These follow-up instructions give the AI more information about what you're looking for. You can also build on an answer you've already received. Maybe the AI gives you a useful explanation, but it's more detailed than you need. You can simply ask for a shorter explanation. Or maybe it's too simple and you want to understand the subject more in depth. Then, you can ask it to explain the subject in more detail. If an answer feels disorganized, you can ask the AI to present the information in a clearer way. Or if something doesn't make sense, you can ask it to explain it differently. A better prompt can help AI produce an answer that is clearer, more relevant, and better suited to your needs. If you're just beginning to use AI, start by asking yourself 3 simple questions. What do I want the AI to do? What information does it need to understand my situation? And how would I like the answer presented? Then look at the response and keep the conversation going. Better prompting doesn't have to be complicated. The more clearly you communicate what you need, the easier it is for AI to understand what you're trying to accomplish and provide a response that's useful to you. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Life in AI for more practical, real-world insights on how artificial intelligence is changing everyday life. Thank you for watching.